Hi, and welcome to Push Finance, your channel for financial tips and education. Today, we want to share with you 10 tips how to save money. Do you want more money in your pocket? Do you not know where to start? Then this video is just right for you. Here are 10 easy tips you can actually start with today. So let's get right into it. We all know how important it is to have a handle on our finances, but sometimes it can be challenging to figure out what to do. By following these simple strategies, you'll be on your way to saving more money from now on. Number 1. Create a budget. A budget is a plan that helps you allocate your income towards your expenses and savings. Creating a budget will allow you to see where your money is going and help you identify areas where you can cut back. But where do you get a budget planner from? Don't worry, we got you. In the video description below, you will find a link for a free budget planner where you can enter your income and expenses. Take the time to do this step, as it will make a huge difference in your life. You will thank us later. Number 2. Cut unnecessary expenses. Look at your expenses in your checking account and identify areas where you can cut back. This could include things like dining out less, canceling subscriptions or memberships you don't use, or finding cheaper alternatives for things you buy regularly. Number 3. Automate your savings. Setting up an automatic transfer from your checking to a savings account each month can help you save money without even thinking about it. Number 4. Look for deals and discounts. Before making a purchase, take the time to research and compare prices to find the best deals and discounts available. This could include using coupons, shopping during sales or clearance events, or buying used items instead of new ones. Number 5. Prioritize debt repayment. If you have debt, focus on paying it off as soon as possible. The longer you carry debt, the more you'll pay interest charges over time. By prioritizing debt repayment, you'll free up more money towards savings and other financial goals. Number 6. Cook at home. Eating out or ordering in can quickly add up. By cooking at home, you can save money on food costs and have more control over what you eat. Number 7. Use cash instead of credit. Cash instead of credit cards can help you avoid overspending and keep better track of your money. Number 8. Shop for insurance. Insurance costs vary widely between providers. Take the time to shop around and compare prices to find the best deals on car insurance, health insurance, and other types of coverage. Number 9. Set financial goals. Setting specific financial goals can help you stay motivated and focused on saving money. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house or building up an emergency fund, having a clear goal in mind can help you make smarter financial decisions. Number 10. Take advantage of employer benefits. Many employers offer retirement savings plans, health savings accounts, or other perks to help you save money. Make sure to take advantage of these benefits to help you reach your financial goals faster. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. For more helpful tips and tricks on personal finance, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss a video. The information in this video should not be used to make any financial decisions. You should contact a licensed financial advisor prior to making any financial or investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.